That's right, you read it right. Solo ride by a senior citizen, 67 years old to be exact. And I have a reason why I prepared to ride solo instead with a group. As you can see, I cannot cope up with a group because of my age, my balance, my equilibrium, and my what is this? Reflexes are not that good as I was 30 years younger. So I prepared to drive alone by myself and enjoy the view. And I take my time. I stop when I want to, and I go when I feel like I'm okay, ready to go. So, in other words, when you are with a group, especially with young people and with a big bike, they just show up, okay? They race with one another, and that I cannot do that. That's why I prepare to go alone. And besides, I just learned to ride a bike 2 months ago, to be exact. So I know I'm a little bit late already. I should have done this 40 years ago, but I was just not given a time, the chance, because 32 years ago, I left our Iloilo to seek a greener pasture, and that now is the time for me to enjoy the rest of my life here in Iloilo and wait for my number, for my days here. So that's how it is. So when you ride solo, you have all the time in the world. You can stop in a carinderia, restaurant, on a beautiful spot, take a picture and everything. So actually, this is my third long drive. Actually, it's not a long drive because my first drive is from Iloilo to Gimbal, which is just 29 kilometers back and forth, probably around 60 kilometers. And my second long drive is from Iloilo to Balasan, via Pasig, San Rafael, and Sara, and back Balasan. Going back to Iloilo, I pass by Lotod-Lotod, President Rojas, Pontevedra Capiz, Panitan, and take the highway back to Iloilo. And this is my third time. Probably next week, if the weather permit, nice weather probably, I hope so. So I plan to drive to Iktubli, Tubungan. They said that was a very nice place too. Vantage view, you can see the beauty of, well, not only Iloilo probably, but the mountains of Antique, and get some video and enjoy the scenery. So I took this video from Plaza Leon to Bucari. Approximately, it is a 38 minutes drive, 21 kilometers, and that I drive my motorbike scooter, which I just bought last month. Oh no, not last month. I think that was August or September. Today is October. Now I just bought a cheap motorbike. It's locally made, unbranded, Rossi, which is manufactured, I think, in Dumaguete City, and that it is a cheap one because they're locally made, and that I know it's not that expensive or branded like the one like Yamaha or Honda or whatever. But I think this brand is perfect for me because I am just beginning to ride, and the most important consideration why I bought this bike is because it's cheaper. Okay, but budget wise, it's cheaper, and yeah, that's how I consider why I took this one. And I'm just learning. I just got to go somewhere entry level. Probably someday when I can still ride. Probably I can upgrade some more, and then go to probably from Apare to Hulu, if my health can still hold on. But you see what is this? This trip is just to pass the time for me. I don't want to stay at home and wait for my days watching TV. So I like it. I like it very much, and that hopefully after next week, Iktobli Tubongan, then I to plan to do the Panaylok. Okay, Panaylok, that's what they call, the bikers called it, because from Iloilo to Antique to Aklan to Capiz and back to Iloilo. Okay, that's how it is. Oh, okay, now we're passing now. Actually, the road to Leon to Bucari is okay, mostly cemented and fine, except for this area here. There is some area that are still they are still constructing, cementing, and one of these is right here now. And hopefully, by the time I come back, these are all done. And as we go up, because this is a high elevation, that's why they call Bucari the summer capital of Iloilo, or the little Baguio of Iloilo. So this the road is going uphill and uphill, and a mostly winding road, and that what is this? Yeah, it's treacherous. Probably I have to be extra careful with the driving, because I'm just a novice, and in fact I crash later. You have to watch the whole video, because I crash and almost when I'm already up there, and that I will explain to you why, and that's why. So some novice biker like me, hope you get a lesson how to drive, because this is already my second or third crash, and I learned from my mistake. Okay, it's my mistake, a mature mistake. That's okay. At least I'm not hurt. Some bruises probably, but nothing serious. Okay, so the road is still up. Nice road, beautiful. And here's another one that was not yet done. Just a small portion, okay. And then but the most treacherous one is when you are up already there, in the top, and what is this? The vegetation now is the weather getting cooler, because we are now in a high elevation. It's not a elevation that's just like Big Bear or in Alaska when we went there, when we went have a vacation there, because when you ride a plane or a high altitude, your ears is I can't say, I don't know how to say that in English, pero palamungol na, and you're going, and something like there's a pressure inside your head. I hope you got what I mean. Oh, here's another portion here that they are will be strengthening, because this is prone to landslide. So hopefully they will do this durable, use the durable material, okay, so that it must stay more longer. And now we are going up now, and then some zigzag road. So just be careful here, and that what else I can say? So actually, going up it's much okay for me because I can control the speed, I can control the my bike. The treacherous one is going downhill. In fact, it was one of the questions when I took the driving exam, California driving exam, which is have a priority: the vehicle going up or going down. Who will give way? The going uphill or downhill? So the answer for that is the priority is downhill. Why? Because the speed, they gain speed as going down. Okay, that's how it is. That's how what I answer in the exam. So this is much more. I'm comfortable with this uphill, and besides, it's not that steep. Okay, just like alalay lang ang we call that subida in uphill when you drive uphill. So alalay lang subida also, although it's what is this zigzag, but it's not that dangerous, the sudden hairpin turn or what. And you know, the fall is the fall is high too, but of course you will die. But I've seen a couple of road that are very very deep ravine, and that it's so scary. Now, well, I think we're going now halfway, and the temperature is very very it's very comfortable compared to the lowlands when I left there, and the lowlands is a little bit hot. But now here I can feel the the breeze, which is very. Oh, here's another portion here. They are so hopefully when you when you drive here, this is already done, and you have a very relaxing and comfortable drive. Okay, just a little portion already that's left. Okay, now which is another one here? I don't know. Oh, I think this is the Imoy Falls, but I don't have time. I pass this probably when I come back someday. I heard the Imoy Falls, and there's another falls which is very very nice to, you know, take a dip and swim. So probably in the summer. Okay, and now here's a treacherous portion here, and now you have to be very careful here because okay, I plan to stop and take a rest but this couple just passed me by, so I pushed through. So I should have enjoyed the view, stop, enjoy the view, take a pictures. But you know, this couple here, I follow them so that I have a guide, I have a pacer, and I make them pacing. So I just follow where they go. Now, this is now the area. Not that the gravel is still okay. Not that dangerous, but still okay. Okay, and I'll show you where I cross later on this video, and why. Because a mature mistake, it's my fault, it's my I blame myself. But anyway, that's how you're gonna learn how to drive. Okay, no gain, no pain, no gain. Okay. Even expert rider, they also have their share of fall and accident and everything. But the most important thing there is how you gonna learn from your mistake. Now right here, some bikers here take a rest, and then stretch their legs. But I decided to push on. Okay, I plan to get a video here, but I don't have a vantage point. So what I gonna do is just keep on going up, and okay. So this is how I got another video. The Bucari resort, okay, Pine Forest. But I posted that in my other channel. Uh, I have another channel which is already monetized, Noah's Travel. So, and this one, ilonggo majjhong, I'm still trying to have this monetized. So, if you are watching this, just help me subscribe, like, and finish the finish the video so that I can earn the 4,000 hours watch hour. That's the requirement, and 1,000 subscriber. Then I'm not even halfway. But anyway, this video is just for my collection, because whenever I go to places, I take a video and then edit it and post it in the YouTube. Okay, and if I make money, that's fine. If not, then I have it like when I was young, we have a family album where you collect all your pictures, and then as time goes by, you go back there and watch it, and just like this one. Okay, someday when I am bedridden, I'm old, and I can go back here and watch my video in YouTube. So that's how this is now we're already on the spot where I crashed. Okay, and this is treacherous. We have a curve here, and then okay, so this is where I fall, and it's all my fault. Okay, because I'm careless, but amateur mistake. I'm very careful. Okay, when I drive, I make it a point that I control the bike, not the bike controlling me, because that's where the accident happened. When the bike controls you, accident. But as long as you control your bike, you will not have an accident. So, and that's how it is. And some people, they show off, then they run very fast, and then they cannot control the bike, and then that's the accident. Oh, I think this is now the area here. It's mostly rocky. Okay, now I should have stayed on the right lane, right there. I should have stayed here. This is, I don't know why I veer to the left. That is a rocky that now. There it is. I hit a big rock, and then I brake, and then I stop. Then when I stop, I release the brake, and the bike umatras, and then I cannot control it anymore because it's so heavy, because the ground is inclined, nagapaatras. So that's how I fall. Okay, I was already in the ground. I already stopped when I fall, because I cannot what is this, carry the, no, I cannot be very heavy. The bike is very heavy, so natumba kami, and that's how it is. Nothing serious happened. Palaboy, this is the name of my bike. I name him Palaboy, and then we're fine. Okay, and that the best thing here is that nobody had seen me. Nobody watched the embarrassing incident. So these guys here, they are too late. They are looking at me. They know something happened. but they have not witnessed when I fall. Okay, so that's how it is. Okay, so the lesson learned here: when it is inclined, do not stop. Okay, and when you stop, press the brake. Okay, once you release the brake, ma-atras ang bike. Okay, and the bike is heavy. Oh, it's okay if you are strong, young and strong, but as me, 67 years old, I cannot handle it. So, natumba kami. But I'm fine. The only thing is that my ego is bruised. Okay, and that's how it is. So, I was about to close here. I hope you enjoy my my biking, my ride, and see you again next week. Hope you follow Ilongga Majjhongera, and you're gonna help me some in one way or another by watching and subscribing. Okay, so this is the end of the road. Now, no more road there on the one. So, thank you for watching. Adios.